Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. So I know I look crazy, but today I'm getting my hair done. Like in a couple days I'm gonna get my nails done because this is the state that they're in at the moment. Yeah, I'm not getting acrylics because every time I get acrylics, when I take them off, my nails are like super fragile. I want to get my life together because I'm not feeling confident or looking confident. School is very much taking me out and I'm very much depressed. So yeah, I'm prepping for a competition that I have Saturday. It's a battle of the bands and I'm going to vlog that. That's going to be in a separate vlog. But yeah, I haven't really been recording like that just because, like I said, school been taking me out, y'all. These finna eat down so bad.
You said you don't like them.
I'm very lying.
I can't stand it.
Oh my god, I look like an egghead in that angle.
Which one?
Zeke always makes fun of my head shape.
Zeke has the worst handshake to be making fun of people.
Not so much on my man. Not so much.
He said like a peanut off the ground. Oh my goodness. He has the worst handshake.
It's not that funny. Notice how no one's laughing. I'm gonna send this to him and I'm recording. I'm gonna send this to him.
He's about to.
I'm about to when I'm done with this break. How you keeping a break? Hey guys, so this is the progress. And let me tell you how she's literally been arguing with me.
First of all,
Let me tell you
how you gonna
how.
switch up from yelling at me to the big guys?
Let me tell you how this is. No, she's not a good stylist.
She's the worst client ever.
She's been arguing with
She's
me
been arguing with me since I stepped in this room.
all day and
She has
literally
not been nice.
torturing my head, like
She has
hurting.
not been nice to me.
Hurting.
since
You
I
see how she
stepped
keep putting me off?
in. You see how she
Hurting
keeps cutting
me.
me off? Yeah.
And I
So
said yes ma'am to her and she's saying that's
She's
being
so
disrespectful.
mean.
How is that being disrespectful?
because I'm 19.
Okay, girl, yes, I have to
Treat me
respect
like
my
I'm
elders.
40.
I have to respect my elders,
Okay.
yes ma'am. Hey, don't burn me. Hey y'all, so it's a couple days later now and I'm gonna do my nails. This is how they look now. They look really bad, like really bad. So I'm gonna do press-ons because one, I'm broke, and two, I don't want to get my nails done for real because I don't want all that drilling. Oh, me and Megan are matching. I got these little press-ons and they're so cute. So me and Megan finna, don't mind that mess over there, but me and Megan finna put on these nails. I got some nail glue, some nail polish remover to take off this polish. And yeah, y'all finna watch us do our little thing. About to watch a movie and do my nails. And tomorrow is sound check. This is the preparation. And tomorrow finna be the vlog. Period. Alright y'all, so it's a lot later now and I did my nails. I look kind of grits right now, but I did my nails. This is how they came out. Tomorrow will be the start of a new vlog, which is the soundcheck battle of the bands. Good morning guys. So today is Saturday, April 20th. And it's 6:39. Oh my gosh. Today's soundcheck, guys. And if you don't know what soundcheck is, it's basically, my voice is a little raspy, I just woke up, but anyways, it's basically the biggest high school battle of the bands down here in South Florida, and it's a pretty big deal. So yeah, I'm so excited for today. Yeah, we finna get ready. My nail came off, this one and another one on my right hand. My bed is not made. I have to make my bed and like clean up my room a little bit. Call time is 8 a.m. and it's 6 because I want to get there earlier so I could get like some of the clothes that I'm missing. I'm missing freaking pants, and I'm missing a hat. I'm missing everything, y'all. Like literally everything. To where? To where?
Don't say it on there. I'm gonna say it May 1st. Hi guys. Hold on. Let me see how I look at this hat. I ended the vlog. I'm sorry. I ended the vlog, so we can start again.
BC is better.
Stop loving us.
Oh, he changed his shoes though. No, because this is more for like college, not for, it's technical school. Shirt is technical. So like, if you go for nursing, you go straight into your job. You go to BC, that's because
Oh, you're doing nursing?
That is true.
Hey guys, so we're at soundcheck now. So I was gonna get food outside, right? In a yard fest.
It's so long.
No, it's us vlogging at the same time. It's too many people out there because everybody's here. So Mr. Lopez had put we're getting YouTubers. Stop.
It's a long line outside.
Yeah, guys.
Now then it's food inside. It's anything inside. We thought
Now the selection wasn't that good, but we had to sell it
At
because
least
we
not
was not
outside.
waiting. AC.
Right in this.
Okay, guys, I got a little sub. I got a coffee. I probably shouldn't be drinking all this. We gotta perform,
No, I don't care.
but
It's gonna come out when I need to.
and then I got a little sub. Let me try it with y'all.
I'm hungry.
Now everybody finding out about this little cafe thing they got. Mind you, we supposed to have our jackets on, but that's tomorrow now because it was too hot out there. Finished eating, guys. We're at the yard fest now. Alright, y'all, we're done eating. We're done eating. Down.
Not the 99 jams. Y'all, 99 jams come to our school, and every time they come, we lose the game. They don't ever need to come back. 99 jams. Tell me I'm lying. What's good, AJ? Say hi to the vlog. We just vlogging sound check. Say hi to the vlog. Here you guys. Say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog.
Oh, y'all look so cute.
I know, right? Hey, y'all. We already ate. Y'all look so cute. Already ate. I got a nice. Cause he talk about something I'm not gonna eat. We was sitting in Starbucks eating. They have a Chick-fil-A, but they don't open until like the fall. So we just ate at it. It ain't open yet, y'all. We're so excited. Be looking for the Chick-fil-A. That shit says coming soon. Shadow vlog, Ryan. Shadow vlog, guys.
Y'all, she spent so much money, but I want to get a shake that I just got. Starbucks. Decisions, and we gotta be back in 12 minutes. We're back in the arena. We're trying to find our seats now because call time is at 2, and it's 1:54. but I don't know where our seats are, and I have to pee. So yeah.
Chat, we're lost. We found it. Wait, we're on the other side. Look. Yeah, we were right. Okay, cool. Y'all, we was lost. We found it. Sound check. Y'all, I'm too excited, y'all.
This was the best sound check.
Yes, like thus far.
Venue.
Right, y'all, this is nice. About to be here in a month for graduation. Yay!
And over here to my right, we have Miracle.
Hey guys, I'm walking backwards with the light, but we just did the mass band performance. It was mid. It was mid last year.
I'm Jaden, I'm the drum major. It's me before sound check. Me after sound check. You know what it is.
Hey, it's me, Yemi, and this is me after sound check.
Hey guys, my name is Melody. I'm the head drum major. This is me before sound check. I'm Melody. Yep. Head drum major. This is me after.
Carly, trumpet player. This is me before sound check. This is me, Carlo, after sound check.
Hi, this is Samara, and I play the clarinet, and this is me before sound check. Hey, this is Edward, this is me after sound check.
Hey, I'm Yelena. I play piccolo. This is me before sound check. This is Yelena. I play piccolo. This is me after sound check.
Hi, I'm Britannia. I play mellophone. This is me before sound check.
Hi, I'm Britannia. This is me after sound check. I'm Ricardo. I play mellophone. This is me before sound check. This is Ricardo. This is me after sound check.
I'm Kiara and I play piccolo. This is me before sound check. Hey guys, this is Kiara. This is me after sound check.
Hi, my name is Jess. I play piccolo. This is me before sound check. Hey guys, it's me, Janice, the piccolo player, and this is me after sound check.
Hey, I'm Edgar. I play saxophone. This is me before sound check. My name's Seki. I play saxophone. This is me after sound check. I got the W, bro.
Hi, I'm Ayana, and this is me before sound check. This is Ayana after sound check. No comparison.
This is Isaiah. This is me before sound check.
This is Isaiah. This is me after sound check. After we take that W. Here you go.
Hi, I'm Bud. This is me before sound check. This is me after sound check.
I'm Raji. I play saxophone. And this is me before sound check. I'm Raji. I play saxophone. And this is me after sound check.
Hey, I'm Alicia. I play flute, and this is me before sound check. This is me after sound check. We really hate.
This is me after sound check. No.
I'm Jedediah. This is me before sound check.
This is me after sound check.
Hey, I'm Ruth, and this is me before sound check. I'm Anna, and this is me after sound check.
I'm rocking to subscribe to my YouTube channel, TTT.
Guys, that oh, it's not even open. It said coming soon. Y'all, this is so good, but we got a little too comfortable, and Mr. Lopez said we can't be getting out of our seats without a chaperone. It wasn't even Mr. Lopez, Yemi said it. Can we go out through here? But we heading back to the arena now to go back to our seats, and yeah.
Nasty with it.
Heading home now, guys. Hey y'all, so I forgot to make an intro, surprise, but this is the end of my soundtrack preparation / vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'm gonna see y'all in my next video. I'm gonna post and get active for real.